Wait, people are calling this a Prius, but in reality, it's a hybrid monster that is embarrassing sports cars. Flushed and what's hidden beneath its body has sent shockwaves through the entire automotive industry. Did you ever imagine that a car famous for saving fuel could be so dangerous, so sleek, and so captivating that people would stop in their tracks just to get a glimpse? The 2026 Toyota Prius has officially incinerated the old myth that hybrid cars are boring. Looking at this new avatar, even high-performance petrol engines are breaking into a cold sweat. Today, a new king has descended to rule the roads, and its attitude is nothing short of a supercar. Take a look at this design. Does this look like a regular car to you, or a predator that just landed from another planet? Its stance is so aggressive and so low that it looks ready to slice through the asphalt. The old Prius is now history. In its place, you get razor-sharp lines that don't just cut through the air, they tear it apart. When those hammerhead LED lights pierce through the darkness, it feels like a beast opening its mysterious eyes. This design is for those whose destiny is to always stay ahead. Its aerodynamic shape is so perfected that on the road, it doesn't just drive, it flows like a masterpiece of motion. Do you have the guts to face it? But the real explosion is hidden under the hood. People used to say hybrids were slow, but do you have any idea how much power is packed into this new monster? The moment you pin the accelerator, the combination of the new hybrid engine and electric motor gives you a launch that will glue you to your seat. It hits 0 to 100 so silently and so fast that onlookers are left speechless. This is a cold-blooded response to anyone who thought eco-friendly drivers couldn't enjoy raw speed. This time, Toyota has written a new formula for power that has become a direct challenge to every other car on the road. Step inside, and the world changes instantly. The cockpit feels like the command center of a futuristic spaceship. Everything is so premium, so advanced, and so unparalleled that you'll wish the journey never ends. That giant touchscreen display that responds to your every command, and the ambient lighting that gives the cabin a cinematic glow, it all transports you to a different dimension. In safety, consider this car a rolling fortress. With sensors and smart cameras keeping a 360-degree watch, have you ever seen a car that thinks faster than the driver and eliminates danger before it even happens? Now, let's talk about the question that keeps everyone awake at night: fuel efficiency. Would you believe that despite this immense power, this car barely sniffs fuel? In an era where petrol prices are on fire, the 2026 Prius emerges as a savior. Its hybrid system is so intelligent that it practically makes every petrol pump irrelevant. This car doesn't leave smoke on the road, it leaves its dominance. Now, for the moment everyone has been waiting for: the price. The 2026 Toyota Prius is expected to start in the international market between $30,000 and $36,000. Do you think that's too much for such a futuristic machine? Or is this the best deal on the planet, making you the owner of the future? The world has changed, and those still chasing old technology are going to be left far behind. Do you have the heart to keep up with this new era of speed? Are you ready to be the master of a future where style, power, and efficiency have no competition? The 2026 Toyota Prius is standing ready to rule the streets, it's just waiting for your signal. Now, tell me the truth: if you had the chance, would you want to drive this futuristic beast? Or do you still think those old cars are the kings of the road? Let us know in the comments, and if you want to see the craziest cars of the future, don't forget to subscribe to RPM Auto.